he's gonna miss the eclipse. Hey, there's Norman the squirrel. Yo, Norman. Have you seen Hal? Norman? Okay, Norman seems a little scattered. Or he's mad at me. What did I do to Norman?
Yeah, he's probably scared, Squeaks.
Scared? Of what?
Scared that the moon's gonna take a giant bite out of the sun.
What?
See?
Ronald, that's not a bite. The moon is just blocking that part of the sun.
Yeah, the sun is still there. We just can't see much of it.
Oh, yeah. Your theory makes a little more sense than the moon biting thing.
Yeah. Come on! Let's keep looking for Hal. He's missing everything. Hal! 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 Hal!
Hal! Hal! Whoa!
Hal! Where are you, Hal? Whoa, it sure is getting darker.
And listen, it's gotten really quiet. I don't even hear a bird chirping.
Look, that robin is settling down for nighttime. It thinks it's time for bed.
Today's a special one, a total eclipse of the sun.
Buddy Owler!
What are you doing here? It's the middle of the day, and I thought you only came out at night.
I'm starting to feel that night. Plus, I want to watch the eclipse. Ooh.
But, Bonnie, birds can't sing or chirp during an eclipse.
What you talking about? I can still hoot, woo! And if that robin didn't think it were night, he'd be singing a tune.
You know, that actually makes sense.
Bonnie, have you seen Hal? We can't find him anywhere, and we don't want him to miss the eclipse.
I haven't, but you better find him soon. The moon is blocking a lot of that sun. It will be a total eclipse soon.
Well, come on, let's go. Thank you, Bunny Owler.
Today's a special one, a total eclipse of the sun.
Daisy, why are you stopping? We've got to find Hal.
But guys, look at my California poppies.
They're withering up, right? I told you so. Boom, shakalaka.
Oh, for goodness sakes, Ronald, let's just go look.
Cool! The petals have closed up.
This proves that my great-great-great-grandfather was right. Right?
Sorry, Ronald, but my poppies close up like this at night. Oh, it's a little bit darker than usual, so maybe the dim light is making them do that.
That must mean...
Whoa!
My flowers may be closed up now, but I think that when the eclipse is over, the petals will open up again.
That does make more sense than what my great-great-great-grandfather said. You know what? I think the eclipse might not be scary after all.
That's great, Ronald. Now we need to find Hal, so we can convince him that it's not scary too.
But where is he?
I'm sure you've already checked his doghouse, right?
Man, oh man, why didn't we think of this sooner?
I really don't like to say this, but Ronald, you are a genius.
Well, tell me something I don't know, Nature Cat.
Watch Nature Cat weekdays on your PBS Kids station or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.